Is your child about to make one of the biggest decisions of their lives? That is, choosing a university or college course. And you as a parent play a very important role in guiding that journey to help them take the right first step. Good news is, you are not alone. A group of parents just like you launched Sensei Platform to make navigating this easier for everyone feeling lost or worried. Sensei offers insights across 23 sectors, and for any specific job, you can view total job postings, average salaries, top skills employers are seeking, and much more. This rich information will help your child gain clarity on what they want to target in 3 to 4 years' time. Knowing the goal makes the how much simpler. So when picking a university course, check that it equips your child with the skills in demand. Remember, those who get ready today are the ones who own tomorrow. Let's give your kid a leg up on their journey to a bright and fulfilling career from the start. Let's embark on this journey together and help your child take the right first step towards a brighter future.